Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching this week's super cool fold. It's another great found sample. I've had a great batch of found samples lately. This one's from White House Black Market. It's a folded self-mailer format that I think you're going to love. Not only the format, but there's some really cool production techniques that are very smart. So, as I mentioned, this is a folded self-mailer. Here's the back panel. Fold is right here. On the cover, there's the logo, and there's a nice little peel back flap. I like the shape of it. It's got some fugitive glue right here. And when you open it, it seems like a little booklet. Got some nice spreads, but then when you turn the page, it actually has a 4-panel closed gatefold in the center. And this is a technique called pasting. So there's actually a line of glue, and this closed gate is actually glued into place. And this is a technique oftentimes for long run automated direct mail. So this is so that the whole thing can be automated, and it's also for a couple of reasons. One is so they don't have to saddle stitch, but they can still get a booklet feel. And the other is to qualify as a folded self-mailer. So, you know, once you get those stitches in there, you're a booklet. So there's another technique that they use that I really want you to hear about. So when I was looking at this, when I looked really close, I saw that there's a super subtle almost kiss cut micro perf in here, and I kind of went, what is this for? Because this isn't meant to be torn off, and it actually doesn't tear off easily. I tried to tear it. It was not something that would happen easily. So then I realized that that little perf, that little micro perf, is to the right of where the glue is, and it's designed just to help the page turn easier, and then you can get to the coupon. So if that wasn't there, it might kind of spring back. And that happens a lot of times with adhesive bound materials. If the glue, you know, because this is about an 80 cover gloss coated sheet, and so if they didn't have that little perf, it might be, you know, it might spring back a little, and people might not get to the coupon. So it's just a wonderful little production detail that helps that page turn easier. So love this. I hope you do too. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Folded self-mailer with pasted in closed gatefold. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.